Today, we're gonna talk about plating. And oftentimes when I'm plating dinner, I just wish I had a food stylist to give me some advice.
Oh, hey. Do you need a food stylist?
Hi. I do need a food stylist.
Excellent.
Well, everyone, this is Brett. He's one of our food stylists at the Kitchn. And while he may not pop into your kitchen, he is here today to give us some great tips on how to take your food, elevate it just a bit, and make it look as good as you know that it tastes. So Brett, start me off.
First thing, plates.
Plates, okay.
Let's talk about what we're gonna make.
Okay.
We have a little bit of rice with some seared chicken, some radishes, some herbs, a little avocado.
Yum.
So both of these are great options. I think that this plate is probably gonna showcase our food the best because it has a little bit of lower sides than this. This would be great for maybe something that has a bit of sauce that you don't want to run off the plate, or a soup.
I would actually think I should go with that because I feel like these bowls are trendy. You know, there's the whole grain bowl thing. So how did you know for sure that you didn't want to just put it in a bowl and Instagram it?
I like to get a bit of separation with my food. So sometimes the bowl can really keep things quite tight. You kind of lose the grain. Sometimes there's so much on top you don't even know what's underneath.
Okay.
I also think that this is gonna get us that illusion of height to where we lose a little bit of the height with the lip of this bowl.
So this is an example of how you would not style a plate?
Yes, it's not a bad plate of food,
Okay.
but it could be better.
Yeah, because honestly, I still think this looks pretty good. So break down for me what you don't like about this.
I don't like how everything has its own little compartment.
Yeah.
That drives me a bit crazy.
This does make me think that I should be eating each of these separately, but in
Yes.
a better plate, we'd be encouraged to mix things together in one
Absolutely,
forkful.
yeah. I mean, it's meant to accompany everything in one bite. So one thing we're gonna try to accomplish here is we wanna build our height. See how this plate is very flat and low. So height, colors, textures in a dish, it's gonna set you up for success.
Got it. Well, I'd love to see how you'd style it better.
So Grace, what do you think?
I think this is beautiful and I can't wait for you to walk me through it.
So same ingredients. We just have the rice as a base, sliced our radish nice and thinly, sliced the chicken, we've sliced the avocado, and just built that height that really gives this plate just that wow factor. Lastly, let's just finish this plate off. Really simple, flaky salt and pepper.
Okay.
It's like always overlooked, but it makes such a difference to a plate of food. And then I always like to add just a little bit of citrus. It gives people an opportunity if they feel like they want more acid in the dish, it's there. I tend to always take the cheek of my lemon off. Just kind of adds like a little bit prettier presentation on the plate. Prop them against each other.
Wow, yeah, and I'm noticing that means you won't get any seeds in there, which is nice.
Yes.
Oh, 2 for 1.
Last thing, we made a pesto for our rice. So I always save the small leaves as a nice little garnish towards the end.
They're so cute. And I love that this was an herb that you already used in the dish. So it's a good reminder that you don't have to buy a whole bunch of parsley just to have a little bit of garnish on top.
Absolutely.
Like you were just creative with an ingredient we already used.
Yeah.
Big takeaways, what would you say, like anyone who just wants to start thinking about plating their food to make it look more attractive?
Definitely sharp knife, fresh cracked pepper, flaky salt, and citrus. All right, Grace, I'm out of here.
No.
Are you ready to step your plating game up?
Well, you know what? I'm a little nervous, but I think I have all the tools I need. You can go wander into someone else's kitchen. I'll take it from here. I'm gonna sharpen my knife, and I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck.
All right, thanks. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.